Hey folks, subscribe below for other fun and often delicious videos. Hey, what the heck? Now, back to some simple bonsai.
These are the things you'll need for this simple bonsai demo. Screening for needlepoint. This was found at Target or Walmart or Ace Hardware craft store, where you would do needlepoint in this, because that will go in the bottom of the pot to cover the holes so your soil doesn't fall out. Simple, cheap, inexpensive plants from any garden shop or nursery. Simple scissors, household scissors will do. Garden shears, flower shears, even better. Or if you have bonsai tools, wonderful. Stainless steel bonsai shears. Simple mixing tool. You could use a bucket, you could use Tupperware, large Tupperware, but this is from Home Depot, $5. Simple gardening soil, but it should be moist. Your bonsai pot. This is from a woman called Bonsai Girl. You can find her. She makes these by hand in Salt Lake City. And then she can make you a pot and send it to you. They're beautiful. Okay? This I hand carried from Japan. It's a more costly pot. This will be the hardest thing to find, is bonsai pots. These are called Shohin or Mame. Or you can go find cheap bonsai pots online. Or if you live in an area such as San Francisco, areas in California, there's a lot of bonsai shops where you can get bonsai pots. Bonsai nurseries, you can get bonsai pots. What I want to get is a general size of the bottom. You want to do this without getting marker on your pot. Just a general shape. This will be like trim to fit. They're gonna be like, wow, what an amazing free-handed circle. Okay, you're going to want to find the best front of your tree. This would be a good place to look at to see the front. You see the shape. Nice shape here. This is almost sticking out too far, so you just, some people might like that. Whatever you like. I'll be like, oh, don't like that, so I'm going to take it off. Oh, so I like that. Now, you just want to loosen it up. What you're trying to do is make sure these roots fit in that pot. That's the key to making a bonsai, is having the roots stay small to fit in this small pot. And that takes time. Now this plant may die because of what we're going to do, but it's only $4. And that's okay. You want to expose the roots. See that it doesn't quite fit in there? Or you could stuff it all in there. But just like any plant, they like to be pruned. The roots like to be pruned as well. Typically you want to trim, no more than half if you can't at a time. And then I'll take some of this soil, same soil, because it looks so good, and I'll put it back in there. If it's leaning a little bit, you want to put it back, stuff under there. And you just keep adjusting it until you like it. This is just wheatgrass. You can eat this, you can do whatever you want, and then let it grow. I chose this because it looked neat. You want to come in here, there's some grass with yellow on it. You want to get in there and you want to just sort of clean it up. Again, that's a lot, too much root, but it's still soft and pliable. So we got to fit all that into here. So with this one, I'm going to keep all the soil here. I'm just going to cut it here, and I'm going to round it off to the shape of this and just place it right in there. Very simply. And if this dies, it's okay, it's $5. It's gonna look pretty for company or whoever. So I just simply wanna level that up. Now we're going to place it in the pot.
Hey, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe below for other fun and often delicious videos. Remember to like, comment, and share. What the heck?